Well, my name's Ian Henderson, 64 years old. I've been riding motorcycles since I was 10 years old, and in a previous life I won 4 national motorcycle road race championships. I have no recollection whatsoever of the accident. I got a mile from the house and I woke up 10 days later in a life support machine.
Wasn't far from home, had right of way, and the driver just pulled out from Ian's left, straight into Ian's path.
But I suffered a catastrophic frontal brain contusion, which is basically just a serious brain injury.
I met Ian probably about 18 months after his accident, and the reason for that is day one, when everybody's in a state of confusion, they accepted a panel solicitor.
He was not able to handle what we were trying to do. He had no empathy with the fact that I had suffered a serious brain injury. He was just an absolute disaster from start to finish.
Ian was recommended to contact us. If you are not happy with your appointed panel solicitor, you're entitled to change solicitors. The first thing we say to a client is what is important to you, and then for them to understand what we can do for them. It is massively important, particularly with those with brain injury, to ensure that you explain it in bite-sized chunks.
It was the biggest relief. Somebody who cared, who took things seriously, and who was a massive help and support.
We had a rehabilitation plan in place, we had treatments for him. We managed to secure a good settlement, encompassing all what we call heads of claim. Nothing was missed out.
It's enabled us to reduce our concerns about having enough money to live on. I haven't been brave enough to ride a motorcycle again since the accident, but hopefully we'll get back to that soon. There are still an amazing number of motorcycle accidents by incompetent car drivers who do not look. And again, I've had 1 or 2 close shaves other than this, so I think it's absolutely vital that the take another look is adhered to.